Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, like so. And from there, all we're looking for is the screen recording toggle. So obviously you probably won't see it right away, so you need to swipe down once again. And there we go, it's visible right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will give you a couple options. So start recording with screen recorder, and we have sound, so none, media, and the mic. And we also have the toggle for show touches and taps on the screen, which basically on the recording adds a semi-transparent gray dot wherever the pen or your finger was pressing the display. Now there's, I believe, more options, so let's see if we can access them by holding the toggle. So there we go. And here we have a couple additional things like video quality. So here you can set the actual resolution of the recording. Now, I'm not sure why the camera decided to change the exposure to absolutely non-existent one. Anyway, I'm gonna fix that out later. Maybe right now, let's see. There we go, a little bit better. Sorry for that. Here you can set your quality, you can add selfie and all that stuff. So let's start recording because I only have like a couple of minutes before the card runs out of storage. So here we're gonna select start recording. You can skip the countdown, which I'm gonna do. And then it gives you a couple options like the pen, which allows you to draw on the screen. There we go. We have an arrow, just shows you where your finger would be, selfie cam. And then pause and stop recording. Stop recording will automatically save the recording to your gallery, which I have just done. So we can now open it up. And as you can see, it's visible right here under today. And you should also be able to find it by going into albums, and there should be a screen recording album. And in here, you'll find all the screen recordings you have captured over the time. And here is the one that I have just captured. So there we go. Now I'm gonna add one more thing before camera runs out of storage. If you're planning to record other certain applications, there are ones that won't allow you to utilize the screen recorder, at least not to the fullest potential. And those applications would be the cancer called Netflix. And obviously any streaming applications along with bank applications that I know. And what will happen is when you try to record it, you will get a fully black screen with sound, but without image, basically. And this application just has the ability to block your screen recorder because, you know, nothing says it's your device like an app that can literally have more control over your own device than you do. You want to record it, too bad, app doesn't allow you to. So if you ever encounter such a thing, just know that this is the fault of the application that you're trying to record. And also just know that you have zero control over it and you cannot do anything about it. Fantastic. So explaining this a little bit further, this is a security feature. And for bank applications, obviously that would be a good thing because it prevents screen pinning, applications that want to see what kind of pen you're using and stuff like that. But for Netflix, it's just for the corporate greed and all that shit. So just a little bit info there. So if you encounter this, you basically you can't do anything about it. So just putting that out there. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.